Coach, not the type of result you'd have wanted tonight, your first West Kingston derby. What do you think it went wrong?
I think we just weren't smart enough. Our decision making when we were playing out at the back. But credit must be given to Tivoli. I think that it was in transition on a couple of occasions, which was good the way they approached it. I just didn't think we managed the game as best as we should have as well. You know? I think the game was even match in the first half. I mean, they were a little bit more aggressive than us. They created more goal scoring opportunities than us, to be honest. And I just think we weren't good. We just weren't good enough tonight. I must apologize to the fans for the way the team showed up. I just have to get better. I don't think we were good enough tonight.
Anything you think in particular you could have done to create that parity in the matchup?
We made some adjustments, to be honest. That too did right. Again, we were just handling the ball in terms of our decision. We had a plan what we were supposed to do. And every time we execute those plans, created good opportunities for us. We just weren't consistent with it. Again, our decision making was so bad. I think we were very bad on the mark.
When it doesn't work for you, just doesn't work, Coach. Missing a penalty at a time, that could have put some glass on the occasion for you, but even that didn't work for you tonight.
Exactly, it just goes to show. I just think overall we weren't good enough. By our standard, by my standard, we weren't good enough tonight.
So hopefully you're looking to rebound next match, sir.
No, we have to. There's no doubt about it. This is not that.
All right, coach.